Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install fonts on Windows 10 guys. Actually really easy and simple. So first things first guys, all you're going to do is search on Google download fonts and you're going to see a bunch of different websites. But you don't have to worry. Look, you can actually use this website. I've been using this for over 10 years guys, okay? This website, defont.com. Just click on this website. It's completely free guys, okay? There's free downloadable fonts. It's really easy to use as well. I've been using it and there's like thousands and thousands of fonts, basically unlimited. Okay, I'm gonna pick a font. This one looks actually really nice. I like this font. This one looks really nice. Actually, I'll download this font and I'm gonna show you just how we can use this. It's called Dark Castle. All you need to do, guys, is click on download. Look, it's free for personal use. So just click on download, guys, and the font should start downloading immediately. And once it downloads, I'm gonna show you how we can actually extract this font and install it. So click on download the font and we wait for it to actually start downloading. Alright guys, it seems that the font has started downloading, or I think it already has downloaded. So I'm going to see right here, okay, it's downloaded twice actually. So what I'm going to do guys, I will click on show in folder, okay, show in folder. Alright, now it's going to open up document, well the file, a zip file, and then we're gonna reach the actual file which we want to install. So if you have WinRAR installed already, it's fine. I will show you just how we can extract the file. Actually, really easy and simple. So all you need to do, this is the file, right? You just want to come and click on this, and then guys, you want to right click, okay, right click on this, and then you're gonna see a bunch of different options coming up of pop-up options, and I'm gonna show you exactly what to choose. Once this actually loads up, I'm gonna show you. Okay, we're just gonna wait for this to load up and show the options first. Alright guys, here we go. So with the option we need to pick, it is you can extract files and extract it here, and then but I'm just gonna click on open with WinRAR because we just need to install that one file. We don't care about the other files that are here. All you need to do is find this file type that says open type font file. You just want to double click this to open it, and then what you want to do guys is just click on this install, right? Install. I'm gonna actually show you before I install that I don't actually have this font. This is my test text. I'm gonna come here, Dark Castle. I'm gonna show you that I don't have anything called Dark Castle. So let's go to D. D, look, I don't even have anything in D, I guess. I don't even have anything in D, guys. Yeah, I have nothing in D. C, E, okay? Alright, so we're gonna install that right now. Just click on install, and it's gonna automatically start installing, and just wait it out till it's installed. And yes, guys, it is now installed. So if you come here and come back to your Word document, and if you look here through your fonts, I'm going to show you. Look, scroll down, okay? And if you look for Dark Castle, guys, here it is, guys. Here it is. The font just got added like that automatically in my Windows. Look at that, guys. That looks badass. Let me change the color. Red look good. The red also looks good, guys. Look at this. That looks beautiful, guys. It's literally that easy and simple, guys, to install a font in Windows 10, guys. Hope this video helps. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, smash that like button, guys. And if you still need more help, you can write a comment down below and I'll try to help you out. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe so I can see you in the next video. Let's